You're it.
Come. Yeah, you too.
Okay.
Thank you. We thought we were it.
Right.
We are it.
Well, I know, I made a slight. It should have only been 10 and it's 11.
Oh.
Well, that's my
Suck
own.
it
That's
in,
yeah,
kids.
exactly. Well, it's
You
mostly
really
size
suck
of
it
the
in.
people. So, welcome to 333 North Michigan. You're going to go first to 26, which is where the Tavern Club used to be. That's where all the cool people went in the 30s and thereafter. East Van der Rohe, Frank Lloyd Wright, and the real Mayor Daley, the first one, were all members. And then now it's an architecture firm that has a rooftop terrace, and there's also a tenant rooftop terrace. The views are spectacular. And then you come down to 4, which is where the Tavern Club is now.
Oh, you didn't tell us to turn around.
I know, I know.
And there's a tavern.
I know. And there's a tavern. It's really the best building of the day.
Is
Wow.
it? It's our first.
Well, we
Started with the best.
Now, if you do the left, you get the tavern.
Go to the 4th? 4. Okay. Going to 4. 4, 4,
Everybody's
1.
walking to the
Okay.
tavern.
Could either go either way.
Honestly, I'm not passing much.
You sure?
Yeah, I can only really do like liquids.
They should.
Love it.
See that buddy? That one's open. It's got people going in it. See that on there? See all the people?
Scientology is that thing, yeah, with Tom Cruise. And I think the Christian Scientists are the ones who don't believe in medicine, don't want treatment.
Jehovah's Witnesses.
You know, there's so many sects. To me, the Jehovah's Witnesses are the ones who don't do Christmas trees. Right. So what's the point if you don't have any fun?
Morning.
Yeah.
Try not to lean against the buttons over here.
Okay. Are we going out this way on 4?
Yes, this is going to be the exit for
Gotta make sure we face the
room for about 2
correct.
more.
Unless it opens up over there too.
No, I think
Okay.
there's 2.
It's pretty up here.
I'm sorry?
It's pretty up there.
Oh
These
yeah,
views,
very
it's a-
very nice
Yeah.
views, yeah.
Nice lighting.
Yeah, and when you go into the Tavern Club, you go into the center of the club and just look up North Michigan Avenue. Because the way the building is orientated, it looks directly up Michigan Avenue.
Tavern Club is on the first floor.
No, we're going to the 4th floor. It's on the 4th floor.
So we're going to the lab.
You're right.
The day's tour of the car. This way on the second floor, which is,
Okay. This one's right over your doors.
Squeeze in.
Oh man, the pictures are upgraded.
It's only going down 4.
Is that us?
See what it looks like. That's it. Here's the lobby.